Good morning, children. Today we are going to start a new chapter, Fun with Numbers. All this while, when somebody tells you, come, let's study maths, or do you like maths? So, what do you think of? Yes, you think of numbers. And numbers can be so much fun. And you know, children, maths is like a game. Why? Because when we solve some addition, sums, or something, we enjoy it so much. So, in this class 3, we are going to learn numbers till 999. In class 2, you had learnt numbers till 100. Do you remember that? We learnt numbers from 1 to 100. And this time we are going to learn numbers from 101 to 999. And what a nice way I have found out to learn numbers. And that is by using the money, because on every note there is a number written. So I have collected many notes and we are going to learn numbers with the help of money. Come, let's start. To explain numbers, I have collected some notes and some coins. These all are 1 rupee coins, so they will represent the ones place. These are 10 rupee notes, so they will represent tens place. And these are 100 rupee notes, so they will represent hundreds place. One day, you opened your piggy bank to see how much money you have collected. Let me help you count this money. These are 100 rupee notes. You can see these are 100 rupee notes. So you had 300 rupee notes, 1, 2 and 3. So you had 300 rupee notes. You had some 10 rupee notes. Let us count how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You had 5 10 rupee notes and you had some coins. 1, 2, 3, 4. You had 4 1 rupee coins. So how much is the total money? 300 rupee notes make 300 rupees. And 5 10 rupee notes. You cannot add 5 10 rupee notes to 300 rupee notes because 5 tens is 50. So 300 plus 50 is 350. There are 4 1 rupee coins. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4 rupees. So this makes 354. So 354 rupees were there in your piggy bank. And if you have to write the expanded form of 354, it is 300 plus 5 tens plus 4 ones. 354 rupees. When your sister saw that you were counting your money, she also opened her piggy bank and she also started counting. But see, she has got many 100 rupee notes. Let us count how many 100 rupee notes she has got. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600 and 700. So she had 700 rupee notes. 700 rupee notes make 700 rupees. And she had 2 10 rupee notes. So 2 tens. 10 twos are 20. So these 2 10 rupee notes make 20 rupees. And she had some coins also. Let us count how many coins she has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. She had 7 1 rupee coins, and 7 1 rupee coins means 7 rupees. So the money she has is 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 720 and 727 rupees. So how do you write the expanded form of 727 rupees? There are 700s. 700 rupee notes are there. So you will write down 700 plus 2 tens or plus 20 plus 7 ones or 7. So this is how you count 727 rupees. Your sister had more money than you had. When your sister had so much money, you also decided, this time I'm going to beat my sister and I'm going to save more money. So very, very carefully, you started saving, and after many months, you had so much money. Now you wanted to count this money. So you had become an expert in counting the money because you had learned numbers. Okay, let us count the money you had saved. These are 100 rupee notes. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800 and 900. You had 900 rupee notes. And some 10 rupee notes also. Let us see how many 10 rupee notes. 110, 210, 310, 410, 510 and 610. So 610 rupee notes. 10 6 are 60. So you had 900 rupee notes, 6 10 rupee notes and 2 coins. So how much money you had? You had 962 rupees. So you did beat your sister and saved more money. How much fun it was when she was looking at your money. One day, your papa wanted to test whether you know numbers or not. So he gave all this money to you to count. You said, it's so easy. Now I know how to count money. So you counted it like this. First of all, you counted 100 rupee notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 900 rupee notes. So 900 rupee notes means 900 rupees. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. Okay, now let us count 10 rupees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 10 rupee notes. 10 nines are 90. So 990 plus these coins. Let us count the coins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, this is also 9. So this is 999. So the money which you can see here is 999 rupees. So when you have to expand it, write it in the expanded form. When you have to write 999 in the expanded form, how will you write? You will write 900 plus 9 tens, or you can write 90 plus 9 ones, or you can write 900 plus 90 plus 9. So children, in this we have learnt how to count money, and simultaneously we have also learnt numbers, and we have also learned their expanded form. Please practice this with your parents. That's all for today. Thank you and have a great day.